Hello and welcome to today's Trigger 2-minute tutorial. Yesterday we started talking about the step to next function and trigger, and you can see I've built on that project to make an imaginary Beauty and the Beast project here. And we have the first cue teed up and highlighted, so you can see that that's the first cue that will fire when I hit the spacebar on my keyboard. And you can see it do that there. I've also on this project got my return key on my keyboard programmed to be a kill all button. This can be simply set up in project options as well. You'll notice that when I hit the button here that's selected as a step to next button, the step to next target will be skipped. And that again is configured in project options as we saw yesterday. The other thing I wanted to quickly explain to you today is if I click outside of my trigger application window, you get this warning at the bottom of the cue sheet. Now this simply means that the trigger application itself doesn't have focus at the moment, so it's not seeing any keyboard input. And if I was to hit my spacebar now, nothing will happen, and that is because trigger is not actually seeing the keyboard input. So that warning is there to show you that you actually need to click in your project window or your application window to bring that focus back so that trigger will perform as it's designed to do. Otherwise the other application, whatever it happens to be, will get all the keyboard input. The other thing I wanted to quickly show you today is the fire button. So if we click on show step to next fire button, you can see it brings up a button. So this will allow you to either use a mouse or your touch screen to fire cues in sequence, exactly as the space bar would do. You also obviously have a kill all button here as well. This window can obviously be sized and configured as you see fit. Okay, that concludes today's 2-minute tutorial. I hope you've enjoyed watching and you'll join me next time.